Just like the street lights lit this town, like a fire in a blaze, gotta burn it down. Can't be afraid to leave this out. We got this far, don't know how. I see danger in your eyes, they know.
Hello YouTube, it's your girl Kimberly. Thank you so much for coming to the channel, and this video is going to be a demo and review of the NYX Lip IV, which I'm not a fan of, and you're going to find out why in this video. But first, thank you so much for coming to the channel and clicking on this video. I appreciate it. If you're a new, welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much. If you're not a subscriber, it's not too late. Hit the subscribe button now. It is a free and easy way for you to support the channel and all the videos I make here: beauty, hair care, skincare, makeup, nails, tech, travel. We talk about it all, and I want you to be a part of the crew. So please hit the subscribe button. Also like the video if you like this video, and hit the notification bell if you want to be first to know when I post a new video or when I go live. Okay, so let's get into it. So I got this when this came out. Wasn't a lot of buzz about it from real people, but every single influencer got this somehow. So I saw so many videos about it, so I'm like, when I get near it, I'm gonna see a shade, I'm gonna try it. Now I figured this mauve shade is just wearable enough for me and my skin tone that I could wear it all the time, like everyday kind of look, but also it was a bright enough color that I felt like I'm not getting my lips but better. It actually has color in it, and I'm going to show you why I don't like this by applying it. Okay, so one, it has this little serum-y applicator. I actually like the applicator. I thought it was cute. So you can see the color. Ooh. Alright. Let's do a little press. And I'm about to show y'all why I don't like it. You ready? Okay. So this is why I don't like this. It accentuates every single line in my lips. Like, I feel like in the cracks and crevices, it makes my lips look like a topographical map. Like, it is just Sink City into the lines. Now what I've done in the past is I've done tight lips applied, loose lips, do a second coat, pressing. It also transfers to teeth. I don't like that. But yeah, pressing techniques, all kinds of stuff to try to make it not look as sinking into the lines of my lips. And I have lines on my lips, that's just the way it is. But because so many other products are able to either succinctly go in the lips and go in the lines and out of the lines, and then when I talk and move my lips they look really good still, but for some reason this stuff just doesn't do that. And I also, it's probably because I'm putting too much, but I also get this pooling issue where like pulls up inside the inner parts of my lips, and it's really annoying. So it has a weird, like, I don't want to say a medicine-y fragrance, but it does have a fragrance to it, which I can kind of ignore. It does dissipate after a while, so it's not too bad. The color is so pretty, and I really like that. But like I said, it just seems like it just really emphasizes the lines on my lips, and I don't like that. It gets a little goopy when talking, but that's because I'm trying to build up the color to have enough color show. But then now it's like it's also too much product, so then that kind of is annoying. But this is the thing that really gets me sold, and why I keep going back to this, and why I haven't thrown it out yet. Can you see the stain? The stain is pretty. That's what I love. So I tried to leave it long enough to do the stain, So you guys, because I really wanted to show you guys this, the stain is what I love. So the stain looks gorgeous. Like, it looks like a bright pink version of my lips. And that is what I love about it, is I love the stain. But am I going to wear a lip product just so I could wipe it off to get this stain? No. I want it to look cute when it's lip product and when it's stained. So, and I mean, not that it's expensive because it's drugstore, but every failed for $12 lip here, $12 lip there, it starts to add up. And I've really been finding other products that I really love. So I am going to continue to keep this one and to make it work and try it with different permutations of products and lip liners and different stuff till I can find a way that I like it, because I need to use this one up. But in terms of the formulation and the way it settles in lip lines, I don't think I'll be buying any other ones. This will probably be it. So not really feeling the hydrating gloss serum. Yeah, just not for me. So thank you so much for taking the time for watching my video, and I hope I see you in the next one. Please subscribe to the channel. All right, have a great day and thanks for watching. Bye.
Just like the street lights lit this town, like a fire in a blaze, gotta burn it down.